it's Lisa from Recreated Designs, and I am back with another DIY tip of the day. And today we're going to be talking about your old leather shoes. Okay, so we all have a pair of shoes that they're favorites we've had for a long time, but they're starting to look pretty run down. So I want to show you today how super easy it is to bring these shoes back to life and keep your favorite pair of shoes. So what you're going to need for this DIY is some paint. Now, I really like the Annie Sloan chalk paint for this. There's no latex or acrylic in it, so it works really well with adhesion and it sticks really well to leather. So that's what I'm going to use for today. And then all you need is a small paintbrush. So depending on the size of your shoes and what areas you need to get into, you just want to have a variety of little paintbrushes. The other thing you might need is some low tack painter's tape. If you don't have a steady hand and you're afraid of getting the paint down along the sole of your shoe or something else on your shoe, you can tape it off with some low tack painter's tape. So I want to show you how easy this is. Now, you can choose whatever color you want. I wanted to choose a color that was similar to the shoes I already had because I like the color of them. So I'm going to do something similar, and you can see it's a burgundy color here. This is a great opportunity though if you want to change your shoes up and make them a totally different color. This is a great way to do it. So you can see I've also stuffed a piece of tissue paper inside the shoe, and that's just to give it a little stiffness while I'm painting and to keep the paint from anything off inside. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just using this little angle brush, and I'm just going to start painting my shoes. I'm going right over top of everything I'm doing. And I should add, I did clean these first, so I just wiped them down with a damp cloth and some water. So you can see it is just that fast. It's actually already even starting to dry on the shoe. It's soaking up so easily. There you go, there's the second coat. So I'm going to leave that to dry for maybe a half an hour to an hour, and then I'll show you how we're going to finish it up. Okay, so with my shoe completely dry here, I'm just going to paint one to show you the difference. To finish it off, because there's no latex or acrylic in the Annie Sloan, I'm going to use some soft wax. This is just going to protect the paint, and it's going to nourish your leather. So all you have to do is with an old cloth, take some wax and just rub it all over your excuse me, all over your paint. So you want to cover all the painted areas with the wax. Let me see. And it'll give it a beautiful finish and protect it. So there you go. So remember that paint and wax take about 30 days to fully cure, and during that time water is evaporating out of both the wax and the paint. So as it cures, it'll get harder and harder. So just be a little gentle with your shoes for the first 30 days. But there you go, you have a brand new, well, your shoes aren't brand new, but they look brand new. So you can easily bring your shoes back to life with just a little bit of paint and wax. Have a wonderful day, and tune in next week for another DIY tip of the day.